Hey kiddos, Mr. Wellness here, and today we're going to talk about something very cool. How to be your best you.
Oh, what does that mean?
I'm glad you asked, pal. Being your best you means loving who you are and living your life with meaning and purpose. Come on, I'll explain all about it with another Wellness 101 Junior.
Presented by St. Luke's Pediatrics.
Step 1. Embrace your individuality. Each one of us is like a cloud, and no two clouds are the same. And that's what makes our sky so beautiful. So the first step to being your best you is to embrace your individuality. Whether you love painting, playing sports, or telling jokes, let your special qualities shine. Don't try to be anyone else, just be you. Remember, there's no one in the world quite like you. Step 2. Spread kindness. Treat others the way you want to be treated. A sprinkle of kindness can make a world of difference in someone else's day. Whether it's sharing with a friend, helping a loved one, or just giving someone a big friendly smile, spreading kindness is like magic, and it makes everyone around you feel fantastic. Step 3. Keep learning. Even superheroes have to keep learning and growing. So always be curious, ask questions, and explore new things. Whether it's reading a book, trying a new hobby, or learning about outer space, every little bit of knowledge makes you even more awesome. Remember, the journey of learning never ends. Okay, gang, question time. What does it mean to embrace your individuality? Is it A, brag about your accomplishments, B, let your special qualities shine, C, ignore a friend when he asks for help, or D, tell your friends you're better than they are at video games? Did you answer B, let your special qualities shine? You're right. That's being the best version of you. Step 4. Face your failures. The challenges we face are hard, but guess what? They're a crucial part of becoming your best you. Just like a video game, each level gets a bit trickier, but you get stronger with every level you complete. Don't be afraid to face failures and learn to love them, because every time you overcome one, you become even more amazing. Kiddos, being your best you is an ongoing adventure. It never stops. Always remember you are incredible just the way you are. Embrace your individuality. Spread kindness like confetti. Always be learning and growing. And face your failures with bravery. And there's truly no limit to how great you can be. Until next time, this is Mr. Wellness and Wellbe and the gang saying be well and always strive to be your best you.